Hey everyone! Welcome to this straightforward tutorial on how to transfer USDC from Phantom Wallet to Tangem Wallet in 2025. If you're navigating the crypto world, securely moving your assets is key, and I'll walk you through this process step by step to make it simple and stress-free. By the end, you'll feel confident handling your USDC transfers. First off, before we dive in, ensure you have both wallets set up. You'll need USDC in your Phantom Wallet, and your Tangem wallet should be ready to receive funds. Also, verify that both wallets are on the same blockchain network, like Solana, to avoid any compatibility issues. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet app or extension. Head to your dashboard, locate your USDC balance, and tap on the Send or Transfer button. This is where the magic begins. Step 2. You'll need the recipient address from your Tangem wallet. Open the Tangem app, go to the Receive section, and copy the wallet address. Double-check that it's the correct one for USDC to prevent any mix-ups. Step 3. Back in Phantom, paste the Tangem address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDC you want to send, and review any transaction fees. It's crucial to select the right network here. Stick to the one your USDC is on. Step 4. Take a moment to review everything. Look over the details like the amount, address, and fees to catch any errors. Once you're sure, confirm the transaction using your wallet's security features, such as a PIN or biometrics. After sending, Step 5. Monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer. It might take a few minutes to process, depending on network traffic. Once it's confirmed, check your Tangem wallet to ensure the USDC has arrived. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer to avoid risks, especially if you're new to this. If you encounter issues, refer to the official support for Phantom or Tangem. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDC in 2025. This process keeps your assets secure and under your control. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.